Hello, 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 Sohel, Prateek. Okay, okay, great. Okay, I'm audible. Fantastic. भैया tell us about Python compiler issue. आज के क्वेश्चन तो बहुत easy आए थे. Guys, I will come on to it. I will come on to it. Be okay. Have patience. Let everyone join. I have few things like I listed everything because I was continuously finding the issues. Okay, talk about Java compiler. So many are saying there is issue. So okay, okay. I will let you know. I will let you know. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, everything is fine. Great, great. Hmm. So yeah, like let me know which type of people right are currently join in which language they need Hindi, English because I can see mixed language into the chat box. So let me know so that I will quickly begin with this session. How to take input in Python like many were not able to take input in first question. Yes, I will address it. I will address it. Shift one question scanner class not found exception. Please. Okay, okay, okay. I will begin in English, guys. Okay. So, starting with the very first question, I can see uh, fifth. Okay. We'll let you know. We'll give all the feedbacks in the last. Okay. For upcoming NQT shifts. Great. And okay. Okay, okay. Okay, what happened? What happened, guys? Let me check. I guess my notepad has been removed. Let me quickly open it. Okay, yes, it came now. Fantastic. So, guys, comfortable with both Python compiler issue. Okay, let's talk about Python compiler issue. Like most of the people have issues in it. So, I would say firstly watch how to take input video. Okay, because in Python it doesn't sense your tab. Okay, you need to press enters. Okay, and if we talk about how you can take the input, okay, that the people is usually want to know is definitely I talked with Python guy, C++ guy and Java people as well. Will let you know how you could able to take input in your shift as well. Okay, so I guess most of the people joined, so push the like if it is possible, guys. Do hit the like button. Okay, we have 44 with us, so do click on like. Okay, so in TCS previous year shift question will be can be repeated. Yes, Arjun, it is of high probability that you can think because previous year the pattern can repeat. Okay, the pattern could be repeated, so please focus on the pattern. What types of pattern has been coming continuously as I am uploading many videos. As you can see in today's also, from my number theory question came into, is it? Okay, 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 I got it, what actually happening. Okay, okay. So my notepad is not visible, I guess, on the screen, is it? Okay, now I guess it came. Okay, compatible with both Python compiler issue. See, there is not having any Python compiler issue. Okay, you need to be very specific with your points. Okay, how you need to take input. Mind my words. Instead of using tab, please use space, keyword or key. Okay, click on one, two, thrice. Do it. Okay, we'll cover everything. Firstly, I have few agenda to talk. Is test run option available before? See, no test run. Okay, yeah, run option is available, I guess. Run or submit option is available. As I'm talking to a guy, he said with only the test case is visible. As you can see here, the let's begin with the context of this live first. Afterwards I will take all of the problems. Okay, okay. So see, firstly, the 3rd October question, guys, as you can see on the screen, 3rd October shift 1 question 1 has a different type of input. Okay, different type of input totally, guys. If you see, I will let you know. So yes, okay. So yes. So see how the first question, I will come to every doubt, guys. Let me clear so that whoever had on 4th and 5th is able to solve their problems. So you can see day 1 something like this, and exercise, some text was given, and in the last the input was there. Okay, so the input was there such as 30, 40, 50, and you had a string associated with every input. Now you need to take whole inputs there. Okay, whole inputs line by line. And if you are talking about do we have space, Aditya? Yes. So there is a space. Okay, not talking about space, there is a n, it is already given because 7 days routine you need to take input. I'm talking about the question. Okay, you need to take 7 days routine. Now after doing it, after taking the range starting from 1 to 8 or 0 to 7, great, then this input will be given to you at every instance. You need to take the input and just take out these particular words. How you can take it? It is very easy, guys. And you just need to iterate from the last and get out these numeric numbers. Okay, and try to focus on your finding sum and average, because question is very easy. The hard thing is you need to find the numeric value from the very last. For the it is all depends upon your talent. Okay, how you can traverse using for loops or while loops, whatever you want to. Okay, you can just create a for loop where when you tackle a space, you need to stop, find out that number, then accumulate it, find the sum, and at the end, please return average. It was a very easy problem, but the thing is about input. Most of the people faced issues in input, guys, because this was a whole string that was given to you, date and then a number value which is totally in string. Now you need to parse this, you need to just take out this one. Okay, and please mind, guys, you need to focus on how the output they are demanding from us. Okay, the output would be the total amount of workout that people did and the average workout, something like that. We need to print the comment as well. Most of the people I get to know is they are directly printing the answers and directly taking the input in integer format. So don't do it. Please be specific to the question. If question is stating that they are giving you input in like day 1 and something like this, so you need to take in this particular manner only. Okay, don't take just like, okay, they wrote we only need to take the last integer value. No, that is not the case. Okay, so please focus on it, guys. Okay, please. So that is the thing that I want to tell. And check out the video description. Check out the video description. There you can find the code snippet of the very first question, how you need to write your code there. Okay, I wrote everything, brought it for you. Just you need to check the description. Click on it, hold on the screen, you will getting description option there, then click on it, go towards the lead code. Okay, I created a compiler, you can run your code anything that you want to. Okay, so this is the thing that the first point I need to cover, guys. I will take your all questions, not an issue. Firstly, let me address all this. So test case has been addressed, test case was given in whole string. Okay, and in Python, people, please focus on spaces, not on tabs, because The TCS compiler is not that updated. You need not to use tab. No to tab, yes to space. Okay, try to use space and start practicing your code on notepad, because okay, I will let you, because there is no error prompting thing that they will let you know. Okay, they will let you know the errors, the problems, but if your code is failing, you will not get to know, because there you can't check what actually your output is coming. Only the thing will come is either your code is accepted or rejected. Okay, the test case has been passed or not passed. Explain this with code, it will be helpful in Python. Okay, I will come to it, not a problem. Although the code is very easy, I just created in a very brief. You can just head on to lead code and will address in the last. Okay, because I have few things to do. So test case, I told about test case. So no debug option, guys. Okay, most of the time people had a debug option where they can print and check whether how the output is coming or not, but here in this TCS NQT, no debug options. And the fourth point that I want to discuss here is select your language. Okay, people are doing is, because it is totally null and void page that you can see, then you need to choose your language first, because it might, you are on the option like select language and you start writing your code in Python. Okay, you wasted 15 minutes there, but when you see, when you run it, it will tell you, okay, please select the language. When you select it, your whole code went away. Okay, went off. I got this feedback from the people that please select your language first, then only write the code, otherwise you will face consequences in your exam, you will waste your time unnecessary. Okay, NCRT solution, don't spam it. I can see your message, let me cover all this and then definitely come on the picture. Now bits stdc++.h will work there, not an issues, because people used vector, reverse, everything, it is working. And if that is working, then inbuilt function present in Python will also work, until unless you are not using stack queues and dequeues and heaps into the exam. The basic one is working, like reverse, then split, then map. These terms are already working. Okay, so you don't need to worry about. So compiler is totally like notepad, fully notepad, no corrections, no recommendations, no indentations, no flower brackets, you need to manage it. Okay, so this is the thing that I want to take with you all. So yes, let's take out the doubts, guys. You can text me up what all doubts you have. Okay, sir, my two spaces after enough in Python. Yes, Krish, two spaces is recommended. Okay, you can put two spaces if it is working in fantastic. See, the first thing I will recommend you, don't panic. People usually get panicked and in the easy problem they start doing fumbling or doing some wrong stuff. So don't do that. Okay, you can put two spaces. It is totally enough. I solved the second question, not the first one. Will I be selected for digital? Yes, GFX Thunder, you will get digital if you scored good marks in your aptitude, because cumulative marks will be taken. Okay, if you are able to solve, let's say 65 to 70% right problem at the safer side. Okay, I'm talking about the best case possible. If you're able to solve 65 to 75% or 70% of aptitude question right, and you solved one coding question, you will end up getting a digital role. Fantastic. Sir, my numerical ability 8 out of 20, verbal 10 out of 20, logical 14 out of 20, and yeah, advanced. Okay, great. And two questions, full test cases. Can I get into? Yes, you will get interview. In the worst case, you will get digital. Otherwise, there is a high chances, like mediocre chances, that you can get prime role as well. How many times I can submit my question in my, if my test case failed at first time I submit? Yeah, you can submit many times, but the code are very easy. It is not been required that you continuously submitting your code unnecessary. Okay, you did one changes and did. Please try to dry run first, so that once one it will be run, then you will get motivated and you can solve other problem too. Please do this code in Python. Just want to see how to take input, please bhaiya. Input is in Python is very easy, Pratik. Like what was the question? I need to take the thing. Okay, I will tell you in the last. Please let me know, because let me cover the question. I am here till 9. Okay, not an issue. I have code with me, everything. Okay, so what is Pratik Kumar? You can convert in chat GPT. Yeah, okay, algorithm based is telling the right, but Pratik, what you can do is please go to the description. Okay, tap on it, hold it, you will get a description button. Okay, there I provided a lead code link. There I created a compiler where I wrote everything, okay, in Python, C++, Java code of the question number 1, because people were continuously facing the issue. So please go to the description, guys, go to the description and check the lead code link. I wrote it as 3rd October solutions. Okay, so do check that out. You will get your whole thing. Will the compiler show the output? No, no, no. Compiler will only show how many questions you marked right and how many questions you marked, how many test case went off and how many test case got passed. That's it. Sir, you video of how to take input which help a lot of answer in 10 minutes each. Sir, your video of how to take input which helped me a lot. Okay, great. Because that is taken by many of the people. After that, I created the problem. Will Python code give TLE? No, no, Surya SM, you need to write the optimal code, Surya. Okay, if you write some cube square or square solutions, then it might be. But guys, I will, like Surya has disturbed a new topic, then definitely I will let you know. See, if your constraint is less than 1000, okay, then your n square solution will definitely work. Definitely your n square solution will work, guys. Okay, if your constraint is written as 10 to the power 5, then you need to write O of n solution, guys. Okay, so please do check this out. And guys, do hit the like button. As I can see, we have good amount of people with us, so do click on like. It really helps me a lot to create content like this and keep motivated. Okay, so bhaiya, scanner class is allowed in Java. Yes, it is totally allowed, because without using scanner, how a person can take input? Okay, it's totally like people usually don't write it appropriately. Okay, so you need to write it appropriately. Don't use star or something. You can use, because I asked personally whether the scanner worked or not, or we can use asterisk. Yes, you can use. Question: is there any chances of coming same questions on 5th? No, Kunj, there is very less possibility, but you can face the same or similar pattern based questions. Okay, similar questions, not the same, because number is one of the most repeated question. If you are able to solve that sheet, because today's second problem come from directly from the sheet. If you see directly from the sheet, so you can just fetch out, try to do everything from that sheet. Aita bhai, you ignored my message. Sorry Prasanna, it is like I got many messages. So okay, Aditya bhai, in off campus, can we expect the coding come in same pattern as of the coding cheat sheet given by you? See, Prasanna, I will definitely address this question. Most of the people usually ask me that same question. See, I created that particular coding sheet with respect to the previous years and what can be asked to you. I am not a writer who wrote the question for TCS NQT, but I can predict. Right now, as you can see, I built a sheet of number theory. From that sheet, the question came. So I covered every pattern in that sheet. So if the number theory question come, definitely there is a high possibility that it would be a similar pattern. Okay, definitely. So do check this out. Could be able to see the test case which failed? No, no, no. You are not able to see which on what cases you have failed, but you are able to see, okay, this many passed and this many failed. Okay, Nitish Maurya, someone was saying use buffer reader. Yes, I also get this, because people have their own way of writing code. Okay, I got to know few of the people are also recommending, a few people said, see, I feel that it is totally depend upon location to location. Okay, because every location has their own feedbacks. So yes, do prepare buffer reader as well, because I guess in the how to take input, I told how you can use. And for C++, guys, use get line. Okay, if you see, if you go to the lead code that I created, the first question solution, if you use cn and take the input of string, it will not take it, your answer would become wrong. Use get line. Okay, so please focus on it. Okay, now in our inbuilt function work in Python like collections. See, in the collection, I would not say it will work because many of the people were telling the collection is not working. But in the previous, like in 2024, I get to know that the few collections are working, few, but not a lot, all. Okay. So please try to avoid using collection, because what you will use in collection, because Python questions, the NQT level questions doesn't require a default dictate and stuff, because it hardly take you 3 lines to code it up. So please code it up. Okay, don't avoid using collection. You can use reverse and stuff, splits, map, but don't use avoid using collection. Okay, from where I can access the cheat sheet coding solution. Arjun, coding solution, like previously I uploaded all array of questions you can see on my channel, but right now whatever I'm putting in, I created few of the solution, but I am trying to put in a one shot. Okay, so it will take time. Where is the sheet? Please tell us. SMB, I always speak in my video very clearly that please join my Telegram group. Please join my Telegram group. Or if you're not able to join my group, please text me on Instagram. I will personally share you the link. But on my Telegram group, you will get the link in the pinned comment. Okay, just you need to go on pinned comment, pinned message. There will be a drive link. Just click on it. Okay, so question, can we use tab button for indentation? No, Kunj, you can use, it will operatable there. If you click on tab, it will show, you will get 4 spaces there, but that tab is not considered. When you run it, your test case will won't pass. Then you feel, okay, Python is the worst language that I'm using it. Okay, you need to use space. Will compiler even show errors? See, I get to know about, yes, it will show compiler error, syntax error and stuff, but it will not show a lot of information there. Okay, but I got the feedback that from me and the guy where I took the questions, he told error was showing to him. From first shift or second shift? First shift I'm talking about. What are shift 2 coding questions? See, I'm also finding that particular questions I didn't get, but definitely guys, stay tuned to the channel, subscribe it. Definitely I will upload all the questions that is coming in the TCS NQT. Most welcome, Prasanna. Will compiler even show errors? Yeah, I told. Kunj, thank you, sir. Great. Rishabh Verma, cracked 2 rounds of Accenture today. Thank you. Congratulations, Rishabh. You cracked 2 rounds of Accenture. Fantastic. So, I got it. From where I can access the cheat sheet coding solution? See, you need to code it up because it will take time for me, because most of the people were demanding about the question. Okay, there are very less people who need the solution, but in future we'll definitely upload one by one. Okay, shift 2 coding questions. I will see to it. See in worked for me, bro. See, great, Pradeep, great. But when I was typing and one of the guy I talked with, he told the C in, he was not able to take the first question fully. Okay, so you need to take get line, use get line there. Okay, shift to coding question. Okay, we'll put it by tomorrow if it is possible. Otherwise, by night, at least join a Telegram group. If I found, I will definitely upload it. Krish, don't use default date. I guess it will not work. Actually, okay. Sir, during the session 1 today, many were not able to get the input for the question 1 easily. Only in C, some people got input. Will they give mark? See, if they are not able to take their mistake. Okay, to be harsh values it is, but it is their mistake. You need to be very thorough with the input, how you need to take the input very properly. As I always told, try to use something, your brain there. As I already speak, just go some minutes and minutes in the front, then you will get how I told. Okay, can we use inbuilt sort? Yeah, you can use inbuilt sort function. There is not an issue. We will able to see our print statement. No, you will not able to see your print statement. Should we write only the code for? Should we write the full code along with main function? You need to write full code, guys. From writing the preprocessor directive till the last line, you need to write everything. You need to write. Shift to coding question are calculate time, aptitude based, calculate whether an array can be divided into 2 equal sub-array where sum of both sub-arrays should be equal. See, sub-array question has been popped. I created the video of sub-array. I will upload it by tomorrow for sure. And you can find these types of variation as well. Okay. Pradeep, I take a note of it. I definitely take a note of it so that in future, I will definitely upload. Okay, if it is possible, Pradeep, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn or Instagram. Let me know the question very properly so that I can create it in a very intuitive manner. Okay. Will Dark Dragon is asking, will we able to see no, you are not able to see Nitish Maurya. So what I have to actually use scanner or buffer reader for this year if you have communicated to the student who uses Java for coding? See, I got feedback that you can use scanner, but be prepared with buffer reader as well. It might be scanner won't work for you. Okay, the guy told me use scanner, but definitely have a buffer reader with you, or at least try with buffer reader, because last time also people were trying with buffer reader, they able to solve that problem. Shift to coding question are okay, great. So okay, so Nehaj Shetty, actually I applied for TCS off campus. When we expect the exam to be conducted? See, for TCS off campus, I don't think so that link was off campus. It was for on campus only. Okay. Any tips for Java programmer? I told everything. Try to use buffer reader. Try to create properly, or try to maintain the class names as well. Okay. That would be the suggestion from my side. So what I have actually used scanner. Okay, I told. Can we use? Yes, you can use Neha Shetty. You can easily use this. It is totally acceptable. Able to use inbuilt function or not? Yes, you are able to use inbuilt function until unless you are not using collections. If you're talking about Python, code blogger search shift to coding question. I've solved 7 out of 7 test cases. Second, 6 out of 7 test cases. And apti was went good. Okay, there is high chances that if you able to solve 60 to 70% right in aptitude, then definitely you can expect digital. Otherwise, you are qualified for prime 2. Code blogger, I will highly appreciate if you share your coding questions on my any of the social handles. You can find in the description. Okay, either you can reach out to me on Instagram or my LinkedIn. I am open to it. Please share it. You will help your peers indirectly. Dark Dragon, if we can't see our print statement, how we can know where we are going wrong, like lead code shows? So that is the point, Dragon. If they're asking some easy problem, okay, they will not ask you some hard level problems. So they expect if you write this question, try to dry run this in your mind or anywhere that you can. Okay, that is the thing. That is the main thing that you need to encounter. Please explain how to write a code CPP. Vishnu, what is this question? Vishnu, you can what you can do is tap hold on the screen. You will end up having description tab. Okay, click on it. Then you will find all type of questions. Okay, all type of links there. Then there is a lead code link. Click on it. You will get a CPP code how you need to write in your exam as well. Okay. Sir, shift to coding question. Okay, great. I told. Okay, bhaiya, thank you. Most welcome, Nitesh. Thanks for joining. What to prepare for a Accenture interview? See, it is totally depend upon see, it is totally depend upon your fully interviewer. Okay, because 99% of the time they take only HR. Okay, only HR, but 1% people can face the technical core problems like oops and SQL queries and much more. So you need to prepare accordingly. Be thorough with your resume as well. Sorry, sir, is C++ compiler facing any issues like Java? Still now I didn't get to know about the issues, but the people were not able to take input in the very first question because they were using cin. As far as I know, instead of that use getline. Okay, if you need to take an string input which has spaces into it, okay, so use getline. Great. So yeah, please explain how to write code example largest number in an array. See, Vishnu, it is a very easy question that you are asking. It will, like, you just need to write as simple as you are writing on the compilers, okay? But the thing is, you need to focus on full things such as writing from ash include your bits std c++ dot h, then using namespace. Okay, using name space std, then write your main function. Okay, full complete it fully, or create it as void if you are not returning something. So in this way you need to write everything. Okay, I hope I am very clear to you, because if I start writing it, this session motto will change totally. Okay, because I have people with many languages. Okay, so explain how to write. Okay, that is covered. Should we practice dynamic programming? A very good question, Neha. Yes, you should. If you have time, please do that 100%. Otherwise, because in April or June shift, I found only one shift has a dynamic programming question. But the dynamic programming question is not that hard. Okay, to be honest, it is standard. If you solve something in dynamic programming, you can able to solve. and other non-linear data structure. Other non-linear data structure is not required, like trees, linked list is not required, but dynamic programming, which is based on linear, okay, it is based on array based problems. They doesn't need any nodes and stuff. So nodes is totally been ignored, but where the array comes into picture, strings come into picture, you need to do that, okay. So Soham, when we can expect results for Cognizant for 30 September technical assessment? Thank for your question, helped a lot. Okay, thanks Sonam. You can expect it will take pretty good time, okay, like 2 to 3 weeks, so you need to wait for it, okay. Today for me, I completed a TCS exam. In that first question, I did not run the output getting errors, and the second question getting two outputs, okay, which means you pass two test case, okay. It is very hard chance to get digital role. It might, if you are able to solve full problems in your aptitude, if you are able to score good marks, then definitely you can expect the ninja role, okay. Dhruv Acte, can we use STL? Yes, you can use Dhruv, not a problem. You can totally use bits. Is there any chance to get for all first question marks? Okay. Is there any chance to get for all? Okay. Okay. For all first question marks. I didn't get you, Manoj. Please rewrite again. Did they get problems in Python? Yeah, few of the people got problems because they are not maintaining the indentation properly. Okay, so you need to prepare for it. Don't use tab, use spaces there. My apti was decent and I solved all technical questions in Cognizant. See, in Cognizant, if you solve one HTML, CSS or two SQL problem, one SQL problem, two coding question, then definitely you can expect good roles there. Okay, sir. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 7/7, सेकंड 5/7 के लिए शॉर्टलिस्ट हो सकता है क्या एप्टी वेंट गुड? या डेफिनेटली इट इज हाई पॉसिबिलिटी दैट, बिकॉज आई सॉ मल्टीपल पीपल इन द मॉक सेशन दैट they even solve few, like one fully solved, second they have solved like this only, they got prime role as well. If you went, your apti went very good, okay. And guys, please, I would highly recommend you. I have a good success rate in mock sessions because we have a person who cracked prime role, essential role, cognizant, and much more. So if you had any issues, you are not able to grab something, your representation skills and communication skills and stuff, then definitely do check this out, because I found multiple people who don't know how to speak and they directly went to do the interview and get rejected. Don't waste this opportunity. Otherwise, it is very hard, very hard to get the off-campus opportunities. Okay. भैया सेक्स शिफ्ट में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 6/7. Okay, second shift. Ganesh, please reach out to me on Instagram. Let me know what questions you get. Totally how the input format was there. Okay. Second question के 5/7 टेस्ट केसेस पास हुए आज, कॉल आ सकती है इंटरव्यू की? Yes, like totally you have solved more than 80% test cases, then definitely you can expect digital if your apti went good. Should we practice no, you don't need to practice non-linear data structure, you just need to practice DP if it is possible. But yeah, if we use while getline, can we can okay, avoid using this, guys, avoid using this, because getline will return something in the while case, I guess, as per I know. Okay, so try to use getline alone, don't write it in this manner, okay, please. So loop in TCS. Okay, please explain error faced in Java, please. Ria, I totally told everything people were facing in scanner and buffer reader. They were not able to take inputs. So be prepared with the scanner. If your scanner is working on your compiler, fantastic. If it is not working, then you need to go through your buffer reader. Ankit Das, bhaiya, please reply. Aniket, I replied, totally replied. MJ, I know you, bro. You are like continuous watcher and you are from 2025. Bro, दोनों coding question हो गए. Fantastic, MJ. I guess you are solving from 2024 shifts. Is it? From April, June, you are continuously commenting on every video. Definitely, man. Please follow the sheets. You will definitely ace your thing, okay? भैया Python as a coding language option है क्या? हाँ, guys, people. There is many types of languages option, okay. C++, Java, Perl, and Python 3.8.9 version is supported there, okay. So there is not an issue. So Ganesh, okay bhaiya, great. Can you tell me the second shift question? Okay, scroll a bit, Anarika, you will get your problem. Sorry if I pronounce your name wrong. Brother, can please write an example coding question in Python to help for write without error in indentation? See, please watch the recent video where I upload how to take input. There is a video, okay, how to take input. Just go through it on my channel. I told by pictorial representation, Aniket, by pictorial representation, and not Aniket, not Abhi, MK, yeah. With the pictorial representation, I wrote everything. Okay, I'm here to resolve doubts right now. If I start writing code, it will take a good amount of time. Okay, so bro, I have done SQL 1 question, Java 2 code successfully. See, I got a feedback that whoever not able to solve HTML CSS has very less chances, but totally acceptable because you solved one SQL 2 code, so you have a great opportunity to get pro role. If I would say, if you are able to score good marks in your OA, the MCQ one. But yeah, if size of your array is not given, then how to take input? Please watch how to take input video. It has 15K views. I built whole solution. Okay, what type of array it is got? Because one thing, as all of you are here, okay, one of the time it might be in your shift you will get question as, okay, you need to find the sum of array such as 4 1 2 3 4 will be given to you. So don't think this whole will be your input. Okay, this first 4 is given to you as the size of the array. Great. And rest of the element would be your array elements. Okay, and this has been followed every time. As you can see in the question number 1, you can see it was written something and you need to parse it, you need to find the number of it. So definitely you can expect this type of question in any shift, so be prepared of it. Okay, if that is the case, you take the input as it is, you will get 4 1 2 3 4, then create it into the string, trim out the very first and trim out the rest, then start your processing. Okay, I hope you got the intuition. Okay, if you don't, please watch all shift solution. There I got this one question, I solved it very thoroughly in both three of the languages. Great. Okay, so Aniket Das, सिर्फ second question ही गलत था क्वेश्चन में, given the array contains only even number but test case में odd number थे, उसके marks मिलेंगे? No, there will be no marks, and I mean by normalization. Okay, Deepak, please construct your question again and ask me. Okay, please tell buffer reader thing. See, buffer reader is a way of taking input, Ria. Like you initialize a scanner class. Okay, similarly you are defining some objects to it, then taking next in next stuff. Similarly, buffer reader has thing. You can just go towards W3 schools. You will get totally written the thing. Try to get hands on. Just bingo. MJ प्लीज अपना इंस्टा हैंडल दे दो. ओके, बात करना है. ग्रेट. Any suggestion for hidden test case like any? Yeah, Dragon, you raise a very good question. See, when you built an approach, okay, try to see the constraint. What could be the possible constraints? If it is 0, which means you can expect null values in the input, then how you can tackle it? Okay, it may be they wrote that you will get inputs from 0 to n. Then try to think, okay, what if my either my code is able to handle the 0 test case as well? Okay, so try to do that. That means the first question, all are getting the user input error, that they consider this issue and give the marks for. No, not at all, Manoj. सर 5 को टेक महिंद्रा इंटरव्यू एंड टीसीएस एनक्यूटी दोनों है, डर लग रहा है. सी आदित्य, you don't need to be afraid of it. Go directly in the TCS NQT, you will nail it. Okay, because that is not hard. Okay, okay, brother, right now so all will watch. Okay, what you are demanding, MK? Can we example code in Python for without? Oh man, okay, let me see. What you need to do here is, okay, I will give you an example. Okay, let's say you have an input. So yes, so firstly what people do is they let's say these are the points. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, let me check whether it is being showing or not. Okay, it is showing or not. Is that 1 2 3 4 visible, guys? I don't think so. Okay, great. Okay, so let's say you write something like for I in range in Python. Okay, and you wrote an something like this. So please put enter properly. Okay, people do have lines with them, so they usually avoid putting enter, but after writing this, please press enter. Okay, then it will come up to here. Okay, because they doesn't support indentation, so try to give two spaces here. Okay, two spaces. Let's say this is space, let's say this is space. So two spaces you gave, then you write your code, then press enter again, then again two spaces, then this way you need to follow. Whenever you need indentation, try to put spaces. That's it, and the rest of the code procedure would remain as it is. Okay, so yes, sir, can we print and check something on console? No, you can't check. Okay, what error we are getting. No, there is not, you don't have any features like that. Only you will be see uh, either your test case pass or fail. I used scanner itself and I didn't face any issue. But second question me TCS ने array का size नहीं दिया था, so use next line and took. Okay, MJ, please do a favor. If you are from second shift, please let me know the question, okay? Because I also covered how to take input. Just write it on the search box of YouTube. You will get my video there. I covered what if they not specify what is the array size and how you can take it. Okay, so yeah, give it an infinite loop. You said while C, sometime it works because in C, if you think, if I talk about the C in C language, when you do this, it will basically return something to the while loop, which will keep on getting fixed in while loop. Okay, so why you need to write some bad code clarity, Aniket? Try to write it in a specific good manner. Okay, then there will be not any issues. And if you talk about they don't give you the array size, then you can use string stream. I guess string stream is the option, or I guess something is the option. Okay, I am not remembering right now, but yes, if you see my how to take input, there I discuss this particular case regarding input. Yes, I remember now. Okay, I got it. Yes, it will work. It will work. Yes, Aniket, it will work. Okay, I also saw just now. Yeah, it will work. It will work. So I am starting my preparation from now. I have NQT on 21st December. Will I able to? Definitely, man. You have good amount of time with you. Try to solve all the sheets that I uploaded and you bingo. So for Cognizant, I got 2 Java question, 2 SQL question, but I didn't get any mail. But my friends get. See, have patience. You will get rejections if you get rejected. Okay, till now, please focus on next company. Start applying here and there everywhere. For Cognizant, okay, bro, can you pin the shift to coding question? Shift to coding question. Okay, shift to coding question. I got it. Yes, you can see now. But the question is not at all clear. But I will upload the video very soon. Okay. So yeah, please reply. I replied, man. I replied. Get line. Okay, where I was. Aniket to zero. I watched a video regarding inputs. Great. Aniket, you can do that. Not a problem. Bro, can you pin the shift to? Okay, I pinned. First question 7 out of 7, 5 out of 7. So yeah, it is totally acceptable. You will get digital role if your aptitudes went around 60 to 50% right. Otherwise, if you scored more than 70% or 60% in your aptitude, definitely you are qualified for prime role. Chintu 90, please Insta do na. Okay, great. Tech Mahindra interview. Any tips? 4 point. Okay, you have. Okay, totally based on resume. Okay, totally based on resume. It is very easy and basically based on your HR skills. So try to have command on your mouth and you will ace your interview. Is there any problems with? No. There is no problem. It is problem with the people who's writing the code. They are not thorough with the crux of the programs. Okay, so you need to be very specific. Try to maintain the indentation properly and your code will work. Definitely. But yeah, I'm trying my preparation from now. I have, okay, I addressed. Don't put again and again Priyash, otherwise I will give you timeout. Is there any problem with? No problems, no problems. So can we do question in brute force approach? Yes, if you see, Aditya, if you see the constraint that they are telling that in the constraint, it has less than 1000, n is less than 1000, definitely the brute force will work. But if it is 10 to the power 5, then you need to write over n. First question was distance by time करके output print करना था. Okay, second question, given an array, distribute it in 2 sub arrays of equal sums. Okay, now the question is very clear. I will pin this up because it is very clear now. Okay, but MJ, do let me know what will be the input cases, how they are giving. Is there any problem? No. I like 15 plus in aptitude and reasoning, average in verbal. Okay, totally acceptable. It's now 15 plus in aptitude. Okay, think for positive. If you have solved coding problem, then definitely you will get any role. For sure, you will get any role. Is there any problem? No. Okay, so some of my friends completed today and in Q they were telling the split function is not. Man, I also talked with many people who said split function is working. If in Python the split function is not working, then you need to take a big route. Okay, I have good number of experience as well. People told that the split function is working. Otherwise, it is very hard to take input as a space separated values. Okay, you need to be focused with the spaces and indentation. Don't use tab, use spaces, and you are done. Still, have your C++ backup if you still think that you might Python will not work, because I usually have 2 backups. My first hand language is Python because it's very convenient to write, and another is C++. And first coding question past 5, which I okay, only one coding question you solved. Then basically, if your apti went normal, then you can get ninja, otherwise you can expect digital. Okay, thanks भैया. न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी क्वेश्चन में टाइम कम पड़ गया था, कैलकुलेशन में 3 क्वेश्चन चुके. नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, इफ यू सॉल्व कोडिंग इट इज टोटली फाइन. Thank you so much. Great, great. It is safe to take input in the form of the given string. Yeah, it is totally safe, because if they are giving input in the string, not an issue. But if they are giving you in the like in the string, and you're taking the input as integer, then it will be the issue. Okay, how was the input given in first question in morning question of finding average? Gamer club, please hold on the screen. You will end up getting the description button there. Click on it, you will get a lead code link. Okay, I created a compiler, wrote every code there. You can see the stand-in. Okay, the stand-in, or if I will demonstrate you. Okay, right now you came, so let me give. So the output will look like in a way is day 1 exercise time and colon having space, then your number, let's say 30. So you need to fetch out this 30. Just put your loop, like if you found the empty space, you will end up having your number with you. Okay, and it is not around that you will get only 3 number or 2 digit number or 3 digit number or 1 digit number, anything. Okay, how was the input given? Okay, okay, they are saying okay, so you can use buffer reader then, not a problem. So basically I know people use scanner and it is totally working. MJ is here, you can ask him. Okay, so not equal sum equal average, it was not equal sums average, it was. Okay, I didn't get you. Dates कब है NQT का? अभी है. Yes, it was average, not equal sum. Second question was a sub array of taking number from any index. I so, are you talking about the second shift, Satpak? Because I am not aware of the question right now. I got the question, but I need to research it now. Like, what will be the solution? What will be the optimal approach? What type of coding question should we need to practice for next shift? See, if you take my words, you need to practice everything, because it is totally unpredictable what will happen. Now you face the number. I think linear array and string problem may come. Okay, it may be DP, it may be some easy problems. But I guess they asked numbers, they asked arrays and sub array problem, they left with string. We have to give commas in the split. No, you don't need to give commas. Okay, you just need to take input as respective to the spaces, not commas. Input was given as space separated integer. Size of the array is not given. So far Java, I took a string as input using string scanner object line and फिर added digits. See how creatively you wrote. That is the point. You need to follow like him. Okay, how he wrote, you just need to follow the same case. If you get panicked, you will end up doing nothing and you will get out from the exam without solving any problem. In the second, I saw the first round where need to find palindrome with the range, it was giving TLE. Why it is so guys, most of the people were trying to use 3 loops or 2 loops in that question. Okay, you can see the question that I wrote. Their time complexity will never exceed, because it has been traversing in the digits. So O of n would be the solution, because you need to traverse throughout the range between given, and there is another time complexity required to traverse on the digit. Okay, so as okay, I will let you know the code that I demonstrated. If you don't know, please go in the description. You just hold on the screen, you will get a description, click on it. There is a lead code button, a lead code link, click on it, you will end up finding the codes. See, the constraint for the palindrome question was 1000. Okay, n should be less than equivalent to 1000. Okay, so your digit size will not exclude floor. So you have A range, B range. So your loop will run from A to B. Okay, so your, let's say A to B, you have n elements, so your loop will take n elements into, because we are passing whether that particular number is prime or not, so it will take, in the worst case it will take 4. So you can remove 4, because it becomes 4a, is it? If you multiply by 4, you will end up having O of 4n, but in time complexity we remove 4, so the overall time complexity will remain O of n. So it will definitely work. So try to check that code. Okay, fantastic. Bro, second question was sub array prefix or take the number from any index. Okay, सर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कोडिंग क्वेश्चन के 6 टेक्स्ट केसेस पास हुए एंड सेकंड क्वेश्चन के नहीं हुआ, सॉल्व एटीट्यूड अच्छा या डिजिटल मिल सकता है टोटली इफ यू सॉल्व गुड नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इन योर aptitude, or otherwise ninja for sure. After how many days result will be? It will take 3 to 4 weeks totally. Okay, it will take less also, but At least take 3 weeks, as of I know, 3 to 4 weeks. Bro, can you please write a way of for taking the input for question on average one? Aniket, my dear, you need to check the description. I clearly wrote, okay, in Python, it is a single line input. Just that's it. In Java, you just need to write next line. That's it. In Python, in C++, you need to write get line, string, and cin. What is the issue, Aniket? Don't be panic. Have a look on the lead code that I put. I only created it by my hands. Okay, you can get through it. If you have any issues, please put in the comment. I will let you know. Okay, sub arrays with equal sum. Yes, sorry, my bad. Equal average. Sub arrays with equal average. Okay, the average would be calculated of both of the sub arrays. Then you need to find. Okay, got it. In CPP. Okay, I told you get a line, then you need to take what you need to do, like you need to take an input of S, what you need to do C in or C in S, vice versa, something. Okay, so question one, you have to return the time taken to railway complete the distance given input, which will be take from user length of bridge fixed input length of railway is 400. Okay, I didn't get you. Okay, Tarun, what you do is please reach out to me on Instagram or LinkedIn, wherever you want. Please put the questions. I will definitely let you know the solution as well. I did question in O of n, so मेरे time complexity pass हुआ 700. अरे भाई तुम prime, you will get prime. Okay, तुम prime करो, mail करो मेरे को. I got prime, then definitely we'll have a podcast together. Because you are a very very old subscriber, and I know whole of your comments that you usually do. Can I take input on next int? How you can take next int? In the case of palindrome you can take, but in the case of first question you can't. Then run the loop for arrays and find the input. Yeah, for array you can. For array, see, mj message, please go up and see the mj message how he wrote. That's where you need to follow. Okay, thank you. Okay, Python, do we need to write main? Yes, no, you don't need to write main function, because whatever you write in global is considered as a main function. Or we need to directly write the code. You need to write that directly. You need to write whole code. Okay, whole code you need to write. In that code, you need to print it as well, because you need to write the code from scratch. Sir, in the starting, oh, we are given the marks of the basic private test only according that I did 5 out of 5 for first, 4 out of 5 the second, getting prime. Deepak, if you solve the prob aptitude good, like 70% is the right, then definitely you will take it. I heard that array input is not taking properly. Soumya Deep, people are there who cried, people are there whom I talked, everyone able to take input. It's totally depend on the person you are communicating with and how good he is in the coding. Okay, because it is not an hectic task, it is a simple task, but people make it very complex. Try to use in Java. If it scanner is totally working, but if in your case scanner is not working, I don't know why it is not working in your case. So you can use buffer reader. You can see W3 schools how to take input in buffer reader. Totally done and dusted. In Python, if you're following Python, put spaces instead of indentation, spaces instead of using tabs. Is it in C++? If you have whole string, instead of considering your scene, take get line. It will do your task. Don't you think? Is it? So please guys, focus on it. Whatever I'm talking. Okay, so I guess only 10 minutes left. So whatever doubts you have, do let me know. Okay, 1 hour of quick session has been done, and I thought of doing is, if you tell me guys, I thought of doing the live problem solving if you want, but I am a bit confused in which language I need to do. You are sweetly answer every question. More power to you. Worth million of subscribers. I appreciate your words totally. Bro, explain short how to take input in Java. See, firstly, honestly speaking, Java is not handy to me. Okay, I coded in Java in my college last time, because I usually code in C++ and Python. Okay, so if you talk in Java, see Ram, it is very easy. If you see any of the coding videos of mine, I wrote it and I get knowledge according to that problem statement. Okay, but what you can do, you can just write buffer reader W3 schools, you will end up getting everything. Either you can write uh, uh, yeah, scanner class. It is totally enough. Input you can take in scanner class. Don't apply buffer reader straight away. try to apply scanner first, because people are able to take input in scanner. If you are not able to take an input in a string format, then parse it further. भाई इनका एडिटर बहुत बेकार है truly. Can you explain about the exercise problem? I don't know about the exercise problem till now. Prime interview के लिए क्या करूँ? DP आ सकता है totally. MJ, you can expect grid problems, subsequence problem, a basic eligibility, a basic standard problem or DP you can expect. Okay, totally. But you need to be very thorough with the thing is patterns. Okay, but still, if you think you are not able to prepare, or you don't know what all question can be asked to you, you are nervous, we are here, www.primecoding.in. Hit on it, you will find mock session. Definitely whoever cracked from mock session, we usually encourage them to come on our channel. And yes, if you cracked prime, yes guys, I also want to tell you is, if you are able to crack any opportunity, most of the people who take mock session, we hire them afterwards. After cracking the session, we usually hire them to build the resources to take or to become mentors of their juniors. Okay, so hiring eligibility is also there. So investing hundreds of rupees will end up getting you lakhs of rupees packages in your hand. After that, an internship opportunity for prime coding for sure. If your mock session vibes are pretty good, you're able to communicate well, your communication skills is fantastic, then only. Okay, that's why I usually being hiring from that particular stock as well. So in the exercise problem, was the whole string to be taken as input? Yeah, that exercise problem you're talking about, yes, you need to take whole string as an input. Whole string you need to take the input, then start parsing it from the right hand side, get out the words, letters or numbers from it, then compute the digital के लिए क्या eligibility रहेगी. Ayush, you need to solve at least one problem and at least 60 to 70% right in the aptitude, you will end up having digital into your hand. And it is better if you solve at least 50 to 70% of test case of second problem as well. Sir, I am able to write exam tomorrow. I'm going to write exam tomorrow in Python. Sir, give me the different in exam compiler for overall normal PyCharm. Sir, please give me what is the see, Maila Pili, if I am pronouncing your name wrong, please forgive me. But what you need to do, you need to use your notepad. Okay, open your notepad. The same thing you will face in the TCS NQT thing as well. But do select the languages. If you're not selecting the languages, and afterwards when you're submitting it, and you will get a notification that please select your language, when at that time when you select, your code went off, totally finished. Should we use? Yes, you can use. Definitely you can use Ayush, not an issue. Where can I practice TCS mock test? See, for TCS, there are many websites. Okay, but for the mock test, I can't guide you. But for the coding part, there is a number of sheets. Put a timer and start doing it. This is the thing I will tell you. And for aptitude, don't need to buy something. You just need to go on YouTube. You will get endless resources there. The practice test, the mock test there, the people are solving. You can solve according to them so that you can get a solution of it as well. Okay. And about the mock interview, we have expertise of it. We will help you to convert your interview opportunity into your offer letter for sure. Okay. So yes, these are whole the question that I covered, guys. Anything that you want to ask me, you can ask me. You can, guys. Thank you, sir. We'll check the output for our inputs. Check the output for our inputs. Okay, great. So yes, we have 68 current viewers right now. Please like the stream if you, because it highly appreciated. One like, it is totally free, guys, not costing you anything. Okay, and we also crossed 26k subscribers as well. So prime के लिए क्या करना होगा, sir? You need to solve two problems totally and 70% right in aptitude. Talking in the safer side. Okay, if you want to become at the safer side, then definitely you need to do it for sure. Okay, now I think it will be visible. Okay, so what is actually, okay, great. Okay, just a second, guys, just a second. I need to reopen it something. Okay, great. I got it. Yes, prime clip, I told you. Numerical ability apti is medium but time is less. उसकी थोड़ी practice करना होगा सब लोग. बाकी सारे section easy है. That's a point, MJ. Sir, second slot coding question was wrong. I got 3 test case passed. the coding question won't be wrong anytime. Okay, there is a catch that you need to find, but it may be, if it is wrong, they will give you a good marks as well. Cognizant 30 September technical assessment result when? It will take 2 weeks at least. Okay, so please press on your screen, guys. Press on your screen. You will end up getting you will end up having the screen. Okay, you will get a like button. Please like it. Please hold the screen and like this particular video. Okay, great. So bingo, I need job sir. Okay, I will come to मेरा comment का answer दो. Okay, Deep Kumar sir, second I gave you, man. Is the answer split code? Array split code, do two sub arrays need to have contiguous element? See, I don't have totally clarity if MJ or any of one people who will reach out to me on any of my Instagram or anywhere. I will surely look into it and create a video on it. Okay, so please try to see. Okay, in the array split code, do the two sub arrays need to have the contiguous? Okay, I will. Okay, right now, Soumya Deep, I'm not able to give you the appropriate answer of it because I didn't see the whole question till now. But when I will see it, for definitely. But I guess there would not should be an issue of contiguous essay. Job कैसे लिया जाता है on campus? Please answer my question, please. I answered. Sir, do the inbuilt function work in Python? See, if you use inbuilt function like build, learn, len, reverse, sort, without importing something, like for using collection, you need to import. Okay, but the things that you don't need to import, you can use any of the inbuilt functions because they support Python 3.8.9. Please answer my question. I answered, man. Job kaise liya? Please focus on your campus placement. Otherwise, apply n number of opportunities off campus. It is very hard to find till now. I got placed in TechMeta. Congratulations, Vijay. Please spam congratulations to Vijay, guys. Does Java inbuilt function works? Yes, it will work until you are not importing something. The scanner classes which are mandatory to take or solve the problem, you need to import. Otherwise, it will be issue. So in array problems, will the compiler load the array size even if we don't declare a variable of array size? Sir, in an array problem, will the compiler load the array size even if we don't declare a variable? Yes, the compiler will give you the appropriate input that is instructed to given. Okay, now if your code is not taking, your test case won't pass, you will get having errors in the last. Okay, so okay sir, do we need to import anything to write? No, you don't need to import anything. And if you're talking about Python, don't need to import anything. Just open the notepad, it looks similar, just write your code from the last. When did TCS come for on campus? It recently, Gagan, recently it came. Off campus job के लिए possibilities कितना है? Very hard question, Beast Gaming. I guess you have a channel as well. So it is very hard to find. Okay, because as far as I know, if you, it is very hard to get opportunity. If you got opportunity, you need to be very well versed with the programming questions. And after that, if you are able to nail it, then definitely you can. Okay. Fantastic, guys. If you don't have question, shall we wind up? Because I rarely came to the live sessions. So for annotation, we have to use food. Firstly, use two spaces. If your code is not working, then you can use. But most of the people use two spaces and their code was working. How we can apply for TCS Batch 2025? Through on campus. Your TPO will let you know. TCS did not came to our college. Is there any chance to will come? Yes. In the January, you will get a notification for off campus. Subscribe to our channel. Will definitely let you know what all stuffs or when the opening will come. Definitely put the hiring video on it. Okay. So basically what we need to do, not import in Java, is it collections. Collections you don't need to, like in Java you need to import everything because for array list, for list, everything you need to use. Okay, so in Java it is totally fine, but in other language I'm talking about collection you don't need to use in Python. Bro, when we write code in that editor, input value where we want to enter, you don't need to enter. Compiler will give you, you just need to write input. That's it. When NQT phase 2 dates? In January, most probably in January we'll get the dates. Sir, in TCS NQT third slot 2, I solved 2 coding question. 3rd October slot 2. Uh, Usupair, please reach out to me on LinkedIn or any of the Instagram platform so that you can share me the problem statement. I need to help your peers, need to create a video on it. Okay. So, third slot, second question, 2 coding question, both 6 by 7. Yes, you have good chances to get digital role. If your aptis went well, then probably, I will not say 100%, but there are chances to get prime as well. My exam is on 5th afternoon shift. I am preparing the array question and other question from your channel. Do we have see, firstly, array question is totally needed. Okay, after that you need to prepare the number theory playlist that I created just now, uploaded a sheet. Need to go through each and every question. You will end up having something if the question come in the number category. Okay, and rest of the stuffs, if I tell you the rest, what you need to do for rest, the string one shot is also available. You can do it. Okay, that is totally enough if you are able to solve. And after solving array string numbers, okay, and the start solving the all shift solution, then definitely you can ace it. Definitely you can ace it. Sir, the link you added in the description, 3rd October solution, which solution? So it is for exercise problem slot 1 first question. Okay, people were finding the issues because their input was day 1 exercise time colon space number, which is minutes. You need to calculate the sum and average of it. In today's afternoon session, I cleared second question test case. Is there any chance? Yeah, you can get digital if it depends upon your aptitude. Sir, if our code has an error, then it will indicate. Yes, it will indicate the error, but it will not tell you a brief. It will indicate the error. Sir, January phase can have chances of 2024. No, no or yes, it would be because they right now not onboarded 2024 grads. Then how you can hire again? This was the only on campus, or January 1 will be on campus as well. January will be totally pan India. You need to fill throughout India. People will apply of your batch and you need to complete there. You need to again go to the centers and giving the test again. But you need to crack, okay? Try to crack something in this phase so that you can upgrade your role in the second exam for sure. Okay. Can a student prepare the first phase can reappear? Yeah, you can for upgradation purpose for sure. College will encourage you to write the paper again if you want to upgrade. Because if you see one podcast on my channel, there is a Sanchit podcast, which one of our mentor as well. So he upgraded from digital to prime. सर स्प्रिंग बूट लेवल है कि नहीं, एंट्री लेवल है कि नहीं, ऑन कैंपस आएगा क्या? प्लीज प्लीज नहीं है तो मैं see, as an fresher, you don't need to focus something on typically if you are not focusing startups. If you're focusing on campus, it doesn't matter what project you are creating. It's just a matter of speak or topic to speak about in interview. Okay, they just want to test your core skills, programming skills, and whatever you wrote is right or wrong. Totally good, fantastic. You don't need to focus more on the project. But if you want to get some internships, then definitely you need to learn more. Or Spring Boot has very less opportunity, as I can say, because people do actually have an experience into this field. Okay, but in MERN you can definitely do. Okay, sir, TCS has not visited our campus. I have applied off campus NQT. If TCS visited our campus, I can write once again. Yeah, you can write. Well, on campus TCS NQT phase 2 date January, probably January. Sir, is free TCS NQT has released rather than TCS code beta? TCS, the on campus opportunity is going on right now. I can say, is there only chance for 2025 student to appear for TCS on campus? Yeah, it is because TCS will continuously keep on coming to next colleges as well, so you have good amount of chances. Okay guys, only 5 minutes left. Okay, 5 minutes. Please hold your screen, click on like button, it will highly appreciate. Okay, and watch the current video. Sir, can you please write the input, like what would input, what was the dat? Okay, give me seconds. If you can see my screen, guys, if you can see my screen, day 1 would be the day. The 7 days is final, so you need to take input for 7 days. Okay, so 7 days is totally final. Let me clear. 7 days is totally final. you need to take for 7 days. 7 days, then you have your exercise time, then there is a space, then there is a letter, let's say this is 30 or 20 or something, it will be continuously moving. Now you need to take whole input and process it. I hope you got the intuition, don't you think? On campus NQT, okay sir, okay, appear for okay input, right? What is the criteria for Gen Z next cognizant Gen Z next need to solve all programming question, man. All programming question and perform well in MCQs. Will the January exam consider as an on? No, no, it consider as an off campus. It will be very hard to compete in because most of the college people where TCS won't visit, there these people will also competing with you. Okay, okay, fantastic, fantastic. Anything else, guys, or should we wind up? January exam will be considered as on campus. Okay, as campus consider it is off campus. It is not campus. So guys, please, how is the like? How is this live session looks like? Do I need to create again and again? Because I thought creating live every week where I can give you resume reviews. The top 5 candidates will get a free resume reviews on the YouTube and talking to you, guiding you further. Do let me know. Right? Yes, if you want daily live sessions, not daily. It is very hectic. Let me know. Do you need live sessions a week where I can guide you up and tell you how you can improve your resume, give you resume reviews as well. So join the Telegram group as well because I will updating you there. You need to submit a resume for me. If you write yes, 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 just I need to see yes, 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 then only I will do free resume reviews and guidance sessions on YouTube. Devika, listen, you just need to hold the screen. You will get a description. Click on it. Then there is a lead code link. Okay. In three of the language, just go on tab on link, click on link. You will get a language section. Any of the language that you're comfortable in, look the input format. That is the format that you need to follow. When will be the phase two? January, sir. January. I know these people who don't perform well in their exam, they are looking for the next. Definitely, this should be the spirit of everyone. Okay, guys, if you don't have any issues, do like it as much as you can. Share this channel with your friends because it is taking a lot of efforts, guys. Is it? So like as much as you can. And yes, this is the few things that I want to tell. Anything else? All right, bye bye, sir. Thank you. Anything, please write it whatever you want to so that we can conclude it. Off campus, Vignesh, it will be off campus, not on campus. Anything else, people, or should we wind up, guys? Wind up time is there. 1 hour has been done. Okay. I got it. I got it. Now I think people are done with the session. Okay. So thanks for joining this session, guys. It was nice talking to you all, and I will try to create more such sessions which will help you to ace your interviews. Okay. Definitely. So we'll meet you with a new video or new live session soon. So please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you have not. Okay, so we'll meet you with a new video very soon.